Mom, you have a pum pum?
In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by two separate yet equally important groups: the police who investigate crime and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders. These are their stories.
You have a pum pum, Mom?
Sweetheart, I am home.
Honey, for the last 2 days, a man came to the house and knocked on the door. When I open it, this man asking me if me have pum pum.
What? What you just say? Is a mad man?
Him no look mad to me, cause him all drive a vehicle.
So what you do? Or what you say?
Me no say nothing. Me just slam the door in him face and him leave.
That man they sound like a pervert to me.
You know, say me almost certain him a go come back tomorrow.
You think so?
Yeah, man. And me a catch me afraid, cause me don't know what him up to.
Alright, honey. No worry yourself. Me a go take tomorrow off from work and lay wait this pervert. If him come back again, me a go hide and listen. And if him ask the same question, just answer yes. Me curious to say what him a go do next.
All right. But make sure you're ready to deal with him case if he want to try anything.
Lady, you have a pum pum?
Of course me have a pum pum, cause me is a woman.
Good. Well, tell your husband to leave my wife pum pum alone and start using yours.